Cardano cost extremely equivalent to $0.3940 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 0.3829 0.3973, or so they basically thought. The earlier day close, 0.3876, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The change most certainly was plus 0.0064, plus 1.65%, which certainly is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to ADA. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.38, kind of most extreme 0.41, lovely least 0.35, or so they basically thought. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.38, especially most extreme 0.41, least 0.35 in a very significant way. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.38, by and large most extreme 0.41, least 0.35 in a really significant way. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.37, especially greatest 0.40, kind of least 0.34, which generally shows that the earlier day close, 0.3876 in a significant way. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.36, truly greatest 0.39, genuinely least 0.33, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano figure on Monday, May 15, cost $0.36, beautiful greatest 0.39, kind of least 0.33, or so they explicitly thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.36, genuinely greatest 0.39, fundamentally least 0.33 in an all things considered, significant way. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.37, especially most extreme 0.40, really least 0.34, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.38, certainly most extreme 0.41, genuinely least 0.35, exhibiting the Cardano value forecast for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which by and large is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Friday, May 19, cost $0.39, kind of greatest 0.42, sort of least 0.36 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $0.38, lovely greatest 0.41, least 0.35, which sort of shows that Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.38, sort of most extreme 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35, which truly is very critical. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.37, beautiful greatest 0.40, especially least 0.34 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.38, sort of most extreme 0.41, certainly least 0.35, which by and large is very critical. Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.36, genuinely greatest 0.39, kind of least 0.33 in a sort of huge manner. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 26, cost $0.35, for the most part greatest 0.37, kind of least 0.33, or so they really thought. Cardano figure on Monday, May 29, cost $0.33, lovely greatest 0.35, most certainly least 0.31. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.34, lovely most extreme 0.36, genuinely least 0.32, which basically is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.33, most certainly greatest 0.35, least 0.31, or so they really thought. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.33, truly most extreme 0.35, really least 0.31 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $0.34, all things considered, most extreme 0.36, truly least 0.32, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $0.35, most certainly greatest 0.37, genuinely least 0.33, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.37, greatest 0.40, sort of least 0.34 in a by and large huge manner. USD to ADA swapping scale essentially equivalent to 2.5381 coins per $1 in a sort of enormous manner. Today, S reach 2.5170-2.6116, which by and large is very critical. The past day, S nearby 2.5800, which by and large is very huge. Change for now 0.0419. 1.62% incredibly. USD to ADA cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially huge manner. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, May 8, cost 2.632 coins. Genuinely greatest 2.857, lovely least 2.439. Exhibiting how in about a month Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 2, cost $0.34, extremely greatest 0.36, kind of least 0.32, which for the most part is very huge. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.632 coins, sort of greatest 2.857, lovely least 2.439. Further appearance how Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.38. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.41, exceptionally least 0.35 in a huge way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.632 coins, most extreme 2.857, certainly least 2.439. Genuinely further appearance how Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $0.38, sort of greatest 0.41, essentially least 0.35, which sort of shows that Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $0.38, truly most extreme 0.41, beautiful least 0.35, which is genuinely huge. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.703 coins, genuinely greatest 2.941, genuinely least 2.500, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Friday, May 12, cost 2.778 coins, essentially most extreme 3.030, fundamentally least 2.564, truly further appearance how change for now 0.0419, 1.62%, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 2.778 coins, greatest 3.030, beautiful least 2.564, which for the most part is very huge. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.778 coins, truly greatest 3.030, especially least 2.564 in a very enormous way. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.703 coins, really greatest 2.941, beautiful least 2.500. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 2.632 coins, sort of most extreme 2.857, genuinely least 2.439. So today, S reach 2.5170-2.6116, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days USD to ADA forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 2.564 coins, sort of most extreme